morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Wednesday, May 27, 2026, 9:16 a.m. at this moment, Mountain Time, past 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We see Nasdaq a little bit red, 0.2% down on lower volume, so that's not as bad as it looks at this moment. And then S&P is down slightly as well, 0.05%, and Dow is down. Actually, Dow is up 0.5%, and volume is a little bit higher at this moment. In terms of stocks on the move, let me just go to it. There is some stocks on the move here, um, and then here we have more. So overall, we do see stocks moving on higher volume. The stocks here today. Okay, before we talk about that, let's just look at the index first. Let's go to QQQ here on the ETF. So we did have a slight reversal this morning. It make a new high, but then we quickly come down. And right now, let me see if it hit yesterday's low, 724. Um, no, not quite yet, but very close to it. Right now we're at around 726. It was as low as 725. So we could break that low from yesterday, uh, if the downward momentum continues today. So that's just something to be aware of. Let's go to S&P here, SPY. Now this one already broke the lows here from yesterday, and it's down 0.1%. 748 was the low yesterday. And actually it hasn't broke yesterday though. 748. Right now it's 749. Very close to it as well. Very close. But yeah, overall it's not a panic selling, at least not yet. It's so we'll see how the day closed today. Dow here is up 0.3%, so actually acting better, which is kind of weird. Like so far we're seeing, you know, Dow kind of diverging from the other index. Like when other index do better, Dow wasn't doing as well, and then when Dow do better, like other like do well, like other stocks, other index are not doing well. So it's kind of weird in that sense here. But anyhow, so Dow is still up for the day. It also did make a new high. Let me see, 507, 505, 508, 508. 5874, 5887. So very close. Like I mean literally within like just 0.1%. So so there we go. Let me go to hold on a second. Just close this for less distraction here. Okay, let's go to Dow, we'll go to Russell now. Here we have Russell here also moving slightly in the positive 0.06% at this moment. So this one also not coming down as much. Still way above yesterday's low. So overall, this and Dow's looks good. So yeah, that's very interesting. So that's that. So the index are, kind of mixed at this moment, with Dow and Russell doing better than S&P and Nasdaq. Um, on the stocks on the move, we have DY here, SENAA, UMC, VPG, right? So VPG is and UMC both chip related. So let's go to VPG, Vishay Precision Group. So this one has been doing really well. It's climbing pretty strong. You can see the green line, the 10-day kind of jump here, the slope. And then here we have another jump here. So pretty strong momentum at this moment. Obviously extended right now from the 10-day line, but yeah, it's RS rating 99, and volume has been showing up on all the upside as well. So usually it takes 15 sessions for the ends to show up, but this one has risen, in the last 10, 15, 10 sessions or so that, the ends hasn't shown up because they need 15 days. But it's also lots of volume support even still. Okay, let's keep going here. VBX, SCDG, NWA, LEA, App, Ross. Um, And then here we have some of the similar one. TSM bouncing today. BNS, CYD, MXL. Let's take a look at MXL here. So MXL has been somewhat consolidating recently after a humongous run in the last this rally so far. You can see it finding support near the 10-day as it comes up, right? And even today we hit the 10-day again, so 3 days in a row. And right now we're trading at $97. So it's kind of middle in the middle, near the middle of the range at this moment. Let's keep going here. We have Viking, GM, XYZ, Burr, STX. So that's the data group area, sorry, the data storage area. So this one make a new high this morning. It did reverse from the high. So a lot of stocks did reverse from the high today, especially in the tech group. So that is the negative part today. So, the chips have been leading strong, the data storage group has been strong, but they're still making new highs. That is the key word there, new highs. Um, yeah, let's keep going here. We have Penn Entertainment, APH, ADTN, UI, AD, LEA, TDS, and Amazon. Sure, let's take a look at Amazon. Let's see what's happening there. So here we see a nice move today, making new recent high right here. So that's a welcoming move. Um, yeah, the bounce side on the right side here, the volume has been kind of low though. That's the only problem. But perhaps as it start to move, maybe volume will come in. But this is a pretty nice pullback. And now we're bouncing like a clear support there, only 1 day below the red line. So this is looking pretty good setup right now. Yeah, in general, today seems like pause day for Nasdaq, especially chip stocks. Let's just take one quick look at SMH to see where we stand for chips. So you can see today we have, like I said, lots of chip stocks reversed from the high this morning. Um, so obviously it looks extended, right? And now we're kind of pulling back again. Whether we will pull back as hard as last time here, like the 3 day pullback all the way to the pink line, I have no idea. But it is possible that it pull back at least to the green line. But we'll see. Maybe tomorrow we'll bounce back. But today is outside the range, so that's another negative. Let's go to IGV here, software. The software, it's been riding the 10-day, right? It's okay. I think the stocks that have been showing up more is the cybersecurity. I'm not gonna go through it today just because of time, but also like I don't see anything show up on the stocks in the move. I just want to compare where this is at compared to SMH. But yeah, SMH is giving back some today. So if you find chip stocks today that are not giving back much, that's probably a good sign. Let me just look at TSM because that was on stocks in the move. Um, yeah, so this one making new high again, reverse, right? But it's still positive for the day. So that is obviously very healthy still. Nvidia, honestly, I don't know what's happening with Nvidia. It's the one stock that keep going down. Maybe stock money is moving out from this stock to other stocks, like other chip area. Obviously, we have AMD that has been doing well recently. Again, this one also make new high and reverse. So now it's down slightly right now, 2.8%. And then let's ARM also same thing. Look at this, reversing down 4.9%. So again, like a lot of these stocks are extended, right? The last few, one, two, three, 4 sessions, pretty big move for 4 sessions here. So it's pretty normal for it to pull back. All right, thank you everyone for watching. Hope you guys have a good day. See you again. Bye now.